What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 lagging issues. Or for example, if your system is running a little slow, we're going to turn off Windows features and functions that most likely are turned on by default and you never had an option to turn them off on a startup, or maybe on a startup you left them turned on. So here's what we need to do. Click on Start, and then in here we need to click on this little gear and then open Settings. Once settings is going to appear right here, we need to click on privacy, and in here we need to make sure general is selected. So right here we need to turn everything off right here that you see. We don't need any of that. And then on speech, make sure this one is turned off as well. You can leave inking and typing personalization. Then diagnostics, make sure this is turned off as well. And then locations, make sure your locations is turned off. If you're not using camera on your system, for example, for Skype, Zoom, or something else, you can turn this off as well. It's going to turn off every app that it's using your camera. Then microphone, you can leave microphone on if you're actually using. If not, then turn it off as well. And then voice activation. And then in here, you can turn this off as well. Then notifications. If you're getting notifications on the right-hand side, we can turn that off as well. Account info, same thing right here, turn this off. Contacts, turn this off as well. Calendar, if you're not using your calendar, we don't need this to be running as well. Then phone calls, same thing. Call history. Emails, if you're using email on your computer, one of the clients, you can leave it on. If not, you can turn it off as well. Tasks, same thing. Then messaging, radio, other devices. If you're not using any devices to sync wirelessly, you can turn this off as well. Background apps, you can turn them off. For example, if you close the app, sometimes they're running in the background, so we can turn all this off as well. Or you can only turn off the ones that you don't know, the ones that you don't use. For example, 3D viewer, alarm clock, calculator, Cortana if you don't use it, or you can just turn all of them off. App diagnostics, turn this off as well. Automatic file downloads, documents, pictures, videos, and then file system. Once you do all that, then you have to restart your system for it to take an effect. And after the restart, your computer should be running faster. And then, for example, if something is not gonna work, or you decide to use, I don't know, camera for your apps or something, you can always go back and turn it back on. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.